Hey friends! Is your child frequently becoming ill? Commonly, children may get 5 to 7 colds per year. Because of their friends or common sickness. Do you believe they can get affected by bacteria while at home? Let's look at your kid's room to know why. Before we going in, subscribe and know more about health tips. Look at here. It is very clean and organized properly. But ever you think about toys? Every child has that one cuddly stuffed animal they simply can't bear to part from. Study shows 80% of the toys were contaminated with bacteria. That can actually cause food poisoning. 25% of the stuffed animals contained coliforms that can cause dangerous diseases. 1 in 4 teddy bears even contain traces of fecal matter. Dr. Lisa Ackerley, a hygiene expert, advises that all parents routinely wash their child's favorite toy in low-temperature water by using an antibacterial laundry cleanser, which will kill 99.9% of all of the harmful germs hidden in the cuddly toy's fur. Make sure you always wash all the toys as said by the doctor. Do you think your baby is fussy eater? I will guide you on this next time. Subscribe and stay tuned.